Hello student, good morning. I am Dr.AJAY Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I will continue from the last class. Last class I have discussed a multiple choice question up to 181. Now I will continue from question number 182. I am discussing selected questions from medical and engineering examination, including aims also, and questions are based on atoms, molecules and chemical arithmetics. And now I will start from question number 182. Now I am reading the question. What quantity of ammonium sulfate is necessary for the production of ammonia gas sufficient to neutralize a solution containing 292 gram of HCl? Again I am reading one more time question. What quantity of ammonium sulfate is necessary for the production of NH3 gas sufficient to neutralize a solution containing 292 gram of HCl? First option is 272 gram. Second option is 408 gram. Third option is 528 gram. And fourth option is 1056 gram, means 1056 gram. Here in this question it is given molecular weight of HCl 36.5, molecular weight of ammonium sulfate 132, and molecular weight of ammonia 17. This question was asked in CPMT. Okay, now just you think how you will solve. Actually you keep pen and paper with you, then it will be easy to solve the numericals. Okay, now just to think. Again one more time I am reading question. What quantity of ammonium sulfate is necessary for the production of ammonia gas sufficient to neutralize a solution containing 292 gram of HCl? First option is 272 gram. Second option is 408 gram. Third option 528 gram. Fourth option 1056 gram. Just to think. Now I am giving you hint. How will you solve? Here ammonium sulfate is equivalent to 2NH3, and this NH3 will neutralize the HCl. Hence ammonia gas is equivalent to HCl. Ammonium sulfate here is equivalent to 2NH3, and 2NH3 is equivalent to 2HCl. Then ammonium sulfate molecular weight is given 132 gram. Here ammonium sulfate will release ammonia, that is actually 2NH3, and that 2NH3 will neutralize 2HCl. Hence this is the relation. Ammonium sulfate its molecular weight is 132 and 2HCl, then HCl molecular weight is 36.5. The 2 into 36.5, that is 73 gram. Means 132 gram is required to neutralize 73 gram of HCl. Then 73 gram of HCl is required to neutralize 132 gram of ammonium sulfate, because this ammonium sulfate will release or will produce ammonia gas that will actually neutralize the HCl. Hence you can write 73 gram HCl is equivalent to 132 gram ammonium sulfate. Then for 1 and then for 292 gram. Just simple calculation. 73 gram for 73 gram HCl, it requires 132 gram ammonium sulfate. Then for 1 gram, then for 292 gram HCl. According to the question, it will be 528 gram ammonium sulfate. Okay, this is the actually answer. 528 gram of ammonium sulfate will be required. Hence, correct option will be third option, 528, option C. Okay, this is actually correct answer. Now, next question I am reading. Question number 183. 0.115 gram of pure sodium metal was dissolved in 500 ml distilled water. The normality of the solution would be: first, 0.010 N, second, 0.00115 N, third option is 0.03 N, fourth option is 0.046 N. Again one more time question I am reading. 0.115 gram of pure sodium metal was dissolved in 500 ml distilled water. The normality of the solution would be: first option 0.010 N, second option 0.00115 N, third option 0.023 N, fourth option 0.046 N. Just you think. Okay, this question you can without calculation you can't tell the answer. Okay, now just you think. Keep pen and paper with you, only then you can solve it. Now solve it. 0.115 gram of pure sodium metal was dissolved in 5 ml distilled water. You have to find out the normality of the solution. Think. I think you can solve it. Now I am giving you a hint. How will you solve? Sodium you are dissolving in water. Sodium metal means Na plus H2O. Then it will form NaOH plus half H2. Then Na plus H2O, it is forming NaOH plus half H2. Means 23 gram sodium. Actually atomic weight of sodium is given in question. 23 gram, you also know. Then 23 gram sodium produces 40 gram NaOH. Then according to the question, 0.115 gram sodium. 23 gram sodium produces 40 gram NaOH. For 0.115 gram sodium, how much it will form? Then 40 divided by 23 into 115. Correct? 23 gram sodium produces 40 gram NaOH. Then for 1, then for 1 0.115 gram. You will get 0.20 gram you will get. Okay, 23 gram produces 40 gram. Then 1 gram will produce 40 by 23. Then 115 gram will produce 40 divided by 23 into 0.115. It will be upside. After solving, you will get 0.20 gram NOH. Then 0.20 gram NOH means what? You just to convert in normality. Normality is actually calculated per liter. Okay, in 1 liter, how much equivalent is dissolved? That is called normality. Then 0.20 gram means how much will be the normality? Then divided by molecular mass. Sodium molecular mass is sodium hydroxide. Molecular mass is NOH, as this 40. NOH means 40. Then 0.20 divided by 40. Okay. Then this amount is actually, according to the question, is dissolved in 500 ml. Then in 500 ml, this equivalent is produced. That is the 0.20 divided by 40. This equivalent is present in 500. Then in 1000, how much it will be produced? Just it will be double. Hence, after calculating, you will get 0.01 N. Normality will be 0.20 divided by 40 into 2. Correct? Because you have dissolved in 500. Then in 1 liter, how much it will be present? Then you have to multiply by 2. Hence, you will get 0.20 divided by 20 means 0.01 N. Correct? Then correct answer is 0.01. 0.01 means first option is correct. Option 1 is correct. 0.01. Okay. Now next, actually this question was asked in again in medical examination, CPMT. In CPMT, this question was asked. Now next question I am telling you, question number 184. The total number of proton in 10 gram of calcium carbonate is, first option, 1.5057 into 10 to the power 24. Second option, 2.0478 into 10 to the power 24. Third option, 3.0115 into 10 to the power 24. Fourth option, 4.0956 into 10 to the power 24. All are 10 to the power 24. Okay. Again I am repeating the question. The total number of protons in 10 gram of calcium carbonate is, first option, 1.5057 into 10 to the power 24. Second, 2.0478 into 10 to the power 24. Third option, 3.0115 into 10 to the power 24. Fourth option, 4.0956 into 10 to the power 24. Avogadro number, Avogadro number is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. It is given in the question. Okay. Now this question you can solve, I think, easily. Okay. Now you think how will solve. You have to tell total number of protons in 10 gram of calcium carbonate. Just to think. Now I am giving you hint. Calcium carbonate, 10 gram calcium carbonate means how many mole? Calcium carbonate means 100 gram. Its molecular mass is 100. Then for 10 gram means 100 gram means 1 mole. Then 10 gram means 1 upon 10 means 0.1 mole. Then in 1 mole how many Avogadro number will be there? Then in 1 mole Avogadro number means 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. 1 mole means 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Then for 0.1 mole how much? 1 0 will be less, means 6.02 into 10 to the power 22 in 0.1 mole. Then now we have to calculate number of proton. Then calcium carbonate, you know that CaCO3, it contains total number of proton how much? Calcium, you know that its atomic number is 20. Then it means 20 protons are there. 20 electron, 20 proton. And in calcium, 20 proton is there. In carbon, how much? Then in carbon, atomic number is 6. It means proton will be 6. And in oxygen, atomic number is 8. Then O3, 3 are there, then 24. You add all, then 20 plus 6 plus 24, it will be 50. 20 plus 6, 26 plus 24, 50. Means in calcium carbonate, 1 mole calcium carbonate, 50 protons are there. And the total number of protons, how much will be there? In 0.1 mole means 10 gram. Then in 0.1 mole, 6.02 into 10 to the power 22, you can say this is there. Number is there, correct, in 0.1 mole. Then in 0.1 mole, 50 protons are there. Then total number will be how much? 50 into 6.02 into 10 to the power 22. Okay, because what you have calculated, this number of proton 50, that is in 100 gram. Then in 10 gram, it will be less, means 0.1 mole. 0.1 mole, just simply multiply, and in 1 mole, total number of molecule will be Avogadro number. But in 0.1 mole, 1 0 will be less, 6.02 into 10 to the power 23, correct, in this molecule. And in 1 molecule, 50 are there. Then this is number of molecules, just to multiply by 50. Very simple way. In 1 molecule, 50 protons are there. Then in this number, 6.02 into 10 to the power 22, how much? Simply multiply. Then you will get 3.010 into 10 to the power 24. Okay, 3.010 into 10 to the power 24. Hence, correct option will be option C. Option C. Correct. This question was asked in medical examination. Okay. Actually, you keep pen and paper, I am telling you, then you can solve it quickly. Okay. Now next question number 185. I am telling you the percentage of P2O5 in a diammonium hydrogen phosphate, means NH4 whole 2 HPO4, is first option 23.48, second option 46.96, third option 53.78, fourth option 71. Okay, again I am reading one more time. the percentage of P2O5 in diammonium hydrogen phosphate means NH4 whole 2 HPO4 is first option 23.48, second option 46.96, third option 53.78, fourth option 71.0. I think you can answer it. Okay. Here you have to know the reaction, only then you can solve it. Then now I am giving you hint. Hint means what? Explanation I am telling you. That what will be the this answer. You have to solve the numerical. Then here reaction you should know. Ammonium hydrogen phosphate, when it will break, then you will get P2O5. To get the P2O5, actually it will produce P2O5 only when 2 mole will be there, because in 1 mole its formula is NH4 whole 2 HPO4. Only one P is there. You want P2O5, then obviously 2 molecule is required. Then 2NH2 whole 2, 2NH4 whole 2 HPO4 is equivalent to P2O5, means it will produce P2O5, 1 molecule. 2NH4 whole 2 HPO4 is equivalent to P2O5, means it will produce 1 molecule of P2O5. Then 1 molecule of P2O5 means how much? Then 31 is the atomic weight of phosphorus is 31. Then P2 means 2 into 31, 62. And 5 oxygens are there, P2O5. Then 16 into 5, 80. You add it, it will become 142. 62 plus 80, 142. Then this 142 gram you will get from 2 molecule of ammonium hydrogen phosphate. Then this molecular weight also you can calculate. NH4 whole 2 means 36. 14 plus, so ammonia nitrogen is 14. Okay, and H4 means H4 means 4. That 14 plus 4, 18. 18 into 2, because NH4 whole 2 is there. Then it will be 36. HPO4, H is 1, P is 31, O4 means 64. After adding 36 plus 1 plus 31 plus 64. And if you will multiply by 2, you will get 264. Correct? Means 132 into 2, you will get 264. Correct? Then now 264 gram ammonia, it is producing 142 gram P2O5. Then percentage you can calculate very easily. 264 is producing 142 gram P2O5, then for 1 and then for 100. Because percentage you have to calculate. Percentage of P2O5. Then 142 divided by 264 into 100. Upside 100, you will get 53.78. Correct? 53.78. Hence correct option is option third, 53.78. Okay. Hence the answer is 53.78, means option C. This question actually you have to just simply some reaction you should know, and you have to apply the common sense. In diammonium phosphate, only one phosphorus is there, but you have to calculate P2O5. Then it means it will be 2 molecule of diammonium phosphate will be required. Then after that, easily you can calculate. Okay, and I told you correct answer is 53.78, option C. Next question I am telling you. Actually, this question was asked in medical examination, CPMT. Now next question 186. I am telling you, 1 liter of a gas at STP weighs 1.16 gram. It can possibly be, first option C2H2, second CO, third O2, fourth CH4, means methane. Again I am reading one more time. 1 liter of a gas name is not given. 1 liter of a gas at STP weighs 1.16 gram. You have to tell the name of gas. Okay, first option is C2H2, second option is CO2, not CO2, CO. Third option is O2, fourth option is CH4. Just to think and then you can answer. Just to think. Question is not very difficult. You can solve it. It's a correct answer is C2H2. Correct? C2H2 means acetylene. Acetylene. Its molecule C2H2 means how much? Its molecular weight. Then C2 means 24 plus H2 26. Its molecular weight is 26. Now just 1 liter of gas at STP, its mass is 1.16. This is the starting point for calculation. Then now molecular weight of given gas is 26. Molecular mass of the given gas, that is actually 26. But how? Then here that 1 liter that is 1 liter weight is 1.16, 1 liter gas. Then for 22.4 liter, how much weight? Correct, 1 liter weight is given 1.16. Then for 22.4 liter, what is the weight? Then that will be the molecular weight. Then you will see now molecular weight is matching with C2H4. If you multiply 1.16, that is for weight of 1 liter, then weight for 22.4 liter, how much? It will come roughly 26. Hence it is matching with molecular weight of C2H2, that is 26. Hence correct answer is C2H2, means option A. Okay. Actually this question was asked in AMU. In AMU this question was asked. Now next question I am telling you. Question number 187. How many milliliters ml? How many milliliters of 1 mH2SO4? How many milliliter of 1 mH2SO4 solution is required to neutralize 10 ml of 1 mNOH solution? First option is 2.5 ml. Second option is 5 ml. Third option is 10 ml. Fourth option is 20 ml. Again, one more time, I am reading the question. How many milliliter means ml of 1 m H2SO4 solution is required to neutralize 10 ml of 1 m NOH, molarity m. First option is 2.5 ml. Second option is 5 ml. Third option is 10 ml. Fourth option is 20 ml. Question you can solve it without hint. Okay. Now I am telling you this solution of this problem. It is easy. You have to apply M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2 formula. Okay, easily you can solve it. Here 1 m H2SO4 means 2 NH2SO4. H2SO4 is there. For H2SO4 m is equal to 2n. Then 1 m H2SO4 is equal to 2n H2SO4. And for NOH m is equal to n, because only one OH is there. Hence m is equal to n. In case of NOH, 1 m NOH means 1 n NOH. But in case of H2SO4, 2H was there. That's why 1 m is equal to 2n. Then 1 m H2SO4 means 2n H2SO4, and 1 m NOH means 1 n NOH. Now we have converted both in normality. Now N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. That formula you use. Then here for H2SO4 you have to calculate volume. Normality is given, you calculated 2n. Then N1 is equal to 2, V1 you have to calculate, that is equal to N2 V2. Then N2 is 1 for NOH. For NOH, N2 is 1 and V2 is 10 ml. Then very easily you can calculate 2 into V1 is equal to 1 into 10. Then V1 is equal to 10 divided by 2. That is the 5. Very easy question. Okay, you can solve it very easily. Then its correct option is option B. Option B, 500 ml. Okay, now 5 ml, not 500. 5 ml. This question was also asked in AMU. Now next question number 188, I am telling you now. 1.12 ml of a gas is produced at STP by the action of 4.12 milligram of alcohol, means ROH, with methyl magnesium iodide. The molecular mass of alcohol is: first option 16, second option 41.2, third option 82.4, fourth option 156. One more time question I am reading. 1.12 ml of a gas is produced at STP by the action of 4.12 milligram of alcohol with methyl magnesium iodide. Means reaction is between alcohol and methyl magnesium iodide. You have to tell molecular mass of alcohol. Again I am reading the question. 1.12 ml of a gas is produced at STP by the action of 4.12 mg of alcohol, means ROH, with methyl magnesium iodide. The molecular mass of alcohol is: first option 16, second option 41.2, third option 82.4, fourth option 156. Just to think, without solving you will not get the answer. Simply you can't mark, you have to solve it. Then to solve this, you have to write the reaction. You have to write the reaction. You should know the reaction. Only then you can solve it. The reaction will be between alcohol and methyl magnesium bromide, means ROH plus CH3 MgBr. ROH plus CH3 MgBr. It will produce CH4 plus MgOH Okay. This reaction will produce methane gas plus MgOH Okay. Then now here 1 mole means 1 ROH plus CH3 MgBr. That is 1 mole ROH produces 1 mole methane. Then 1 mole methane means how much? 22,400 cc at STP this is producing. Then 1 mole is producing 22,400 cc or ml you can tell. Then for 1.12 ml, 1 mole alcohol produces 22,400 ml methane. Then you have to calculate for 1.12 ml. Then very easily you can calculate. Then 22,400 ml is produced by 1 mole of ROH alcohol. Then for 1, then for 1.12 ml. How much? It will become, after solving, you will get 4.12 mg. Okay. 1 again you listen, 1 ml alcohol produces 22,400 cc methane. Okay. Then 1.12 ml you can convert it. A question is given 1.12 ml is obtained from, according to the question, 4.12 mg milligram from 4.12 mg okay of alcohol. Easily can calculate 22,400 ml will be obtained from how much? 1.12 ml is obtained from 4.12 mg of alcohol. Then for 1, then for 22,400 ml you will get 4.12 divided by 1.12 into 22,400 mg. After cancelling you will get 84.2 gram. Again one more time I am explaining you. 1 mole is produced, 1 mole ROH gives 1 mole methane means 22,400 cc or ml. According to the question, it is given 1.12 ml is obtained from 4.12 mg alcohol. Then for 1 you calculate, and then for 22,400 ml you calculate. Okay. Then it will come 4.12 divided by 1.12 into 22,400 mg. Then after solving, you will get 84.2 gram. 84.2 gram. Okay. And correct answer will be 82.4. That is the option C. Means this is the molecular mass of alcohol. Molecular mass. This is the molecular mass of alcohol. Correct? Because according to the question it was given 1.12 ml of a gas is produced at STP by the action of 4.12 mg of alcohol. This is the starting point. Okay. 1.12 ml is obtained from 4.12 mg alcohol. Then for 1, then for 22,400 ml. Then whatever you will get, that will be actually mass of alcohol. Then 4.12 divided by 1.12 into 22,400. You will get 84.2 gram alcohol. Okay. This question was asked in Roorkee exam. Roorkee and in IIT also. In both exam, it was asked in Roorkee as well as in IIT. Okay. Question is not difficult. Only you have to understand the question. Now next question, that is a 189. Question number 89. 189 I am telling you. Rearrange the following. Rearrange the following 1 to 4th. 4 option is there. In the order of increasing masses and choose the correct answer from A, B, C and D. Atomic mass of N is equal to 14, oxygen is equal to 16, copper is equal to 63. This is given in question. Then 4 option is what they have given 1 to 4. By use of this 1 to 4, you have to tell the correct option. Okay. Then 1 to 4, what is given? 1 is a molecular, 1 molecular of oxygen. Okay. Now only from this you have to select. Again first I will read the question, then you will understand. Rearrangement you have to do. Rearrange the following 1 to 4 in the order of increasing masses. Increasing masses. And choose the correct answer from A, B, C and D. Atomic mass is given. N is equal to 14, O is equal to 16, copper is equal to 63. And 1 to 4, what is that I am telling you? Then you have to select the option. Then first 1 to 4, first is the 1 molecule of oxygen. Second is 1 atom of nitrogen. Third is 1 into 10 to the power 19 gram molecular weight of oxygen. Fourth, 1 into 10 to the power 19 gram atomic weight of copper. This you have to rearrange. This fourth what I have given a statement that you have to rearrange in increasing masses. In increasing masses, whose mass is more or less. Okay, you have to arrange, but in increasing order. Less you have to write first and more you have to write in the last. Then first option is again 1 to 4th I am telling you. 1 is 1 molecule of oxygen. Second, 1 atom of nitrogen. Third, 1 into 10 to the power 10 to the power minus 10 gram molecular weight of oxygen. Fourth, 1 into 10 to the power 10 atomic weight of copper. Then how will you solve? This question is asked in IIT. Now to solve this question, you have to calculate mass of all 4, 1 to 4. then you can arrange. Option four option is there, that option A is second is less than 1, and second is less than 1, 1 is less than third, and third is less than fourth. This is the option A. Option B is fourth is less than third, third is less than second, second is less than first. And option third is second is less than third, third is less than first, and first is less than fourth. And fourth option is third is less than fourth, fourth is less than 1, and 1 is less than second. Then this question, you can select the option only by this what they have given for a statement. That first you have to calculate masses of all four. Only then option is correct option you can select. Without that it is not possible. Then for hint it is given N is equal to 14, O is equal to 16, copper is equal to 63. It is given. Then first is a 1 molecule of oxygen. Then 1 molecule of oxygen means what is its mass? You calculate 1 molecule of oxygen, not the atom. Then 1 molecule of oxygen means what? O2. 1 molecule of oxygen means O2. Then O2, what is the mass of 1 molecule of O2? Then O2 means 32 gram. 32 gram. 32 gram means 1 mole, and 1 mole means Avogadro number. Then 1 mole weight is 32 gram. Means this is the Avogadro number. Means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecule. Its weight is 32 gram. Then for 1 molecule, 32 divided by Avogadro number. Then you will get 5 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. You will get. Okay. And second is 1 atom of N. Then same way you can calculate. N means 14 gram. Then 14 divided by Avogadro number. And now you will get, after solving, 2.3 into 10 to the power 20 minus 23. Both are 10 to the power minus 23. But first one is 5 into 10 to the power minus 23. Second one is 2.3, means less. 2.3 into 10 to the power minus 23. All are rough. Okay. And third option is 10 to the power statement 10 to the power minus 10 gram molecular weight of oxygen. Molecular weight of oxygen means what? 10 minus 10 gram molecular weight of oxygen means, you know that 1 gram molecular weight is equal to 32. Then 10 to the power minus 10 gram molecular weight means what? It will be 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 9. Means now it is more than first two. And fourth one is 10 to the minus 10 gram atom of copper. 10 to the minus 10 gram atom of copper. Then now you also know 1 gram copper means 63 gram. 1 gram atom of copper means atomic mass of copper, that is 63 gram. Then 10 minus 10 gram atom of copper means simply multiply 10 power minus 10 to the power minus 10 into 63. You will get 6.3 into 10 to the power minus 9 gram. Then in this is actually little more than third one, more than this fourth one, more than third one. Then highest is which one? Which is a list one? Then list one is second. List one, list this less is this 2.3 into 10 to the power minus 23. That is the second option is less. After that further less is first one. List is second one. After that 1 will come. 5 into 10 to the power minus 23. After that fourth one will come, and third one will be highest. That is the 2.3 into 10 to the power 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 9. This is the highest. And so correct option now you can select by seeing. Okay, then now its correct option will be after just you calculated all the things. Now you can write correct option. Then correct option will be option A. Option A, that will be correct. Okay, 189. Correct option will be this. You can by seeing the result it is A. Second one I told you, that is the list. The second one is less than 1. Correct. Now third, fourth was deciding factor. Then now third is 1 is less than third. Second is less than 1. Okay, you have seen second is less than 1 and 1 is less than third. 1 is less than third and third is less than fourth. Third one is less than fourth. Again, direct value what I calculated, I am telling you. First one is 5 into 10 to the power minus 23. Second one is 2.3 into 10 to the power minus 23. Then minus 23 means less. Then out of these two, which one is less? Then second one, 2.3. Then that's why first option means first option is correct. Means this second one is less than first one. Now third and fourth you have to compare. Then third one is 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 9. Okay, 3.2. Both are 10 to the power minus 9. Then third one is 3.2. And fourth one is 6.3. 6.3 into 10 to the power minus 9. Okay. Then fourth one is highest. Fourth one is highest. Okay. That's why option A is correct. Second is less than 1. That is clear. 10 to the power minus 23. Second one was less than first one. And first one is less than third one. And third one is less. Third one is less than fourth one. Because fourth one is highest, 6.3. And third one was 3.2. Okay. And the correct option is 1 only. This question was asked in IIT. Now one more question I want to discuss. Question number 190. Actually they have a question it is given, equation is given 2Na2S3O3 plus I2. It is giving N2S4O6 plus 2NaI. Okay, 2Na2S2O3 plus I2. It is given Na2S4O6 plus 2Ni. This is given. Actually in question it is written N2S4O6. That is actually wrong. it should be Na2S4O6. I will correct it, no problem. Then 2Na2S2O3 plus I2 when sodium sulfide is giving sodium thionate, but by mistake it is written N2. It should be Na2S4O6 sodium thionate plus 2NaI. Question is given. A reaction is given like this. In this reaction, the equivalent weight of Na2S2O3, its molecular weight you have to calculate. Its molecular weight is equal to, first option is given M, second option is M by 2, third option is M by 3, fourth option is M by 4. First option is, actually reaction is given 2Na2S2O3 plus I2. It is giving Na2S4O6 plus 2NaI. You have to calculate equivalent weight of Na2S2O3. First option is M, capital M. Second option is M by 2. Third option is M by 3. Fourth option is M by 4. This question is easy. Easily you can solve it. Think. Its correct option will be M only. M. How? M. Now I am telling you. Okay. Actually, there's a 2M Na2S2O3 is giving 254 gram iodine. 127 into 2, 2M Na2SO4, 2M Na2S2O3 is giving 254 gram of iodine. Correct? Then 127 gram I2 will give MNA2S2O3. 2M is giving I2. Okay, 2. Then I2 means 254 gram. Then this you have to calculate. You have to find out equivalent weight. Then equivalent weight means for that I is equal to 127. Just like a chloride you are this considering for chloride. Just like chloride, fluoride, iodide. Like that way for iodide you have to calculate. You have to calculate for 127 gram. Then for this for 2M sodium Na2S2O3 it gives 254 gram I2. Then 2M 254 gram I2 is you can say reacts with 2M Na2S2O3. Then for 127 how much? Then Na2S2O3 divided by 127. It will give M. Okay. For 127, 254 is for 2M. Then 127 will be for 1M. Then value for 127 gram I2 is the equivalent weight. Okay. 254 I2, 254 gram I2 is I2 requires 2M Na2S2O3. Then for 127 just only 1M. 254 requires 2M. Then 127 how much? Half of this means 1. Hence equivalent weight of Na2S2O3 will be M. Hence correct option is first option only. That is the M. Okay. Now I am stopping only here. Next class again I will continue. Thank you.